Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this DIY, we are going to be using 2 of these Dollar Tree floating shelves, and these are only $1.25. So, let's go ahead and get this open. So the first thing I want to do is decorate my shelf. I'm going to use some mirror tiles. I have 1 strip of mirror tile, and I'm going to put it right across here. If you're new to my channel, I would like to invite you to take a look around. And if you like what you see, please subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your notifications and the notifications on your YouTube app as well. And now I'll put 2 rows down here. Okay, so this is what we have. And now we have 2. Okay, so let's set these aside. And I also have some of these Dollar Tree acrylic diamonds. And what I want to do is line up 8 of these. I have them all lined up straight. They are connected. So now I'm going to take some of my UV resin, and I have my UV flashlight. And I'm going to glue these together. Now I'm using the UV flashlight right away so that the resin doesn't drip through. Okay, so I'm just going to hit that for a minute. And now I'm going to take 8 more and line them up right beside it. This time I'll connect everything. So I'll put resin between here and between each one of these as well. I'm going to make sure everything's touching. So now I'm going to take some more of my diamonds and I'm going to glue them in the center of each one of these holes. So I have to put some resin on 4 of the diamonds, right where it touches. And this is what we have. Isn't that pretty? Let's see, I have my other lamp here. I'm gonna let it sit under there for a while. And now I'm going to do 3. Now we'll do the same thing with these. So while that's doing that, let's go ahead and take one of our shelves. We are going to use some of the UV resin to glue some of these clear beads. And these are the hair beads. I'll start out by gluing 1 bead right in the center. Okay, and the holes are going this way. Now I'll reinforce them with a little bit more of the UV resin. And now I'll put this over here under the lamp. I'll take my front piece and I'm going to glue it here. And these are the side pieces, and I'm going to glue them on the side. This time around, I'm going to reinforce this with some Gorilla Glue. So I'm going to put on my mask. A special shout out to my old and new subscribers. Thank you all for the love and continued support. I honestly appreciate each and every one of you. So thank you so much. Okay guys, so off camera I decided to build it up higher. You can make yours as tall as you want to, or you can make it short. It's up to you. But if you do, just go ahead and follow the same procedure and just glue everything together before you glue it to your base, okay? So the next thing I want to do is add some string lights. You guys knew that was coming. Alright, let's see. Now you guys have seen me do this a million times, so I'm not going to show the whole thing. Okay, I'm going to take my battery pack and it's going to be on the top. So I'm going to run it here. I'm going to hold this down with my finger and then I'm going to put some hot glue on it. So once you put that on there, just hold it down. I'm going to go get my fan because that's going to make this go a whole lot quicker. Okay guys, so now it's time to glue these two pieces together. For the bottom, I'm going to add some chandelier pendants. So here are the pendants that I'm going to use. And I actually took these from an old candle holder that I found at Goodwill. So this one is going to go in the middle. There's a beveled front and it's flat here, so I want this to go in the front. Okay, just like that. And here's my beautiful completed wall sconce / wall shelf. Remember, these pendants came from a candle holder that I found at Goodwill. But if I find them on Amazon, I'll link them below. So now I'm going to hang this on the wall and let you guys see what it looks like. For the next DIY, we're going to use this candle holder from Dollar Tree and this candle holder from Dollar Tree. I'll also be using more of these beads, and I also have 2 discs. I used this particular one in my previous video, and then I have a larger one. Alright, so let's get started. First thing I want to do is flip this over and fill this up with some of my beads. So now I'm going to take some more of my UV resin. Again, this one does not have the little spout, so I'm just going to use the back of the stick to get some out. And I'll put it right inside, right here, on that little ledge. Now I'll peel the protective cover off and put this right in the center. Now I cure it with the light. And just like that, it's ready to use. Now I'll put some on this side as well, some of the beads. Now I'll take my larger disc and remove the protective covering. And now we'll take some resin and put it right around the top. Now I'll take more of my UV resin and put it around the top of this candle holder. And now I'll put this right on top. So next up I have this candle holder, and I found it at Goodwill. Well, I actually found 3 at Goodwill. These are ASHLAND brand, so you can find these at Michael's. So the next thing I'm going to do is flip this over, and I'm going to add 4 beads to the base. I'm going to flip this over and add some more of my UV resin on the rim. Now we're going to put this right on top. And before we cure the resin, we want to level it. Now, so what I would do is let this cure some additional time. I have another one here all ready to go. Here are the pendants that I'm going to add to my beads. And that's what we have. Isn't that pretty? So I'll go ahead and put them on display and let you guys see what they look like. Both DIYs turned out better than I anticipated. They're both very beautiful, glam, inexpensive, and easy to make. Okay everyone, this concludes my video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. Remember, my new upload days are Sundays and Wednesdays. Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.